In this video, we are going to see how we can auto hide the taskbar even when your Windows is, for whatever reason, is not activated or you cannot activate it at the moment. So when we right click on the taskbar and click on taskbar settings, we have all of these settings to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. But the problem is we need to activate the Windows, which we cannot do right now. So we have a simple settings available in Windows by default. What you have to do is just go to the start menu, right here, run, open this up, right here, reg edit like this, click OK, click yes. And here we need to head over to these different options. I'll mention you the path in the description as well. So first of all, we will click on the H key user. From here, we will head over to the software, then Microsoft, drill it down. Then we have Windows. We can just type W on the keyboard. It will directly take it to the W category. Just extract this. Then we have the current version, drill it down, Explorer. Then we can search for stuck, something like that. Stuck Rex 3. Just click on that. Now we can see in Stuck Rex 3, when we click on that, we have some settings on our right. All we have to do is just double click on the settings and we have to make some changes here. But before that, I recommend you to go to the file and take the backup of this registry first, so that if anything goes wrong, you can always head over back to the original settings. So I have changed to 3. Just double click to highlight this right here, 03, click OK, and just close out of here. As you can see, it still didn't hide that, but go to the task manager, Control Alt Delete, task manager, search for Windows Explorer in the processes. So as we can see, Windows process category is here. Go to Windows Explorer, here it is. Right click and click on restart. And then you should be able to see the taskbar is hidden and we have the full screen available now. As you can see, it is perfectly working now. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also guys, mention down in the comments if that works for you, so that we can help out all the community out here. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.